Hello beautiful people, this is Shivanju Singh and welcome to my channel Twinkling Stars Astro. This is the channel for the occult sciences, for the personal readings, for the daily readings of yours, for your daily predictions, for your career predictions, for your love predictions and many more. This reading would be for your monthly prediction, that would be your coming September, and which has started from today only. Alright, I'm just like so for this September, let's see what is there in the store for my beautiful Taurians. This reading is for the Taurus zodiac sign. Alright, so let's begin the magic for the month, that what it's there for my beautiful Taurians. In the Holy Spirit of all God, Goddesses, my dear angels, what is the message for my Taurians for this September? What is the message for my Taurians this September? And one thing more, if you're already a subscriber, welcome back. If you have not yet subscribed, please click the bell button down below. And if you like the videos, just like, share and comment below, so that commenting would be very much important, because I'm really sorry with this. Yes, so commenting is very much important because that helps me in improvising with my videos. And this is a general reading, Taurian, so nothing, it may resonate with you, it may not resonate with you. Do not get hard pressed with yourself that why it's not resonating with you. Might not be the message for you. All right. And I'm open for the personal readings as well. The information is given below in the description box. My WhatsApp number, my email ID, everything is being given in the description box. So you can go there, see it and book your slot, book your appointments for personal readings. All right. Okay, Taurians. Now, okay, Taurians have divided the entire month into the three-way half. That's the first half, the mid half and the last half, and the overall outcome. All right, so to begin with, Taurians, your first half of the September with this 10 of Swords is giving me two-way feeling. I hope you are able to see the card, right? Now this 10 of Swords is giving me a two-way feeling that first thing, something is surely coming to an end. That could be anything. A project may be at your workplace, or maybe an assignment at your workplace, something in the office, probably a relationship also, or maybe, there could be Taurians, I'm seeing a kind of a, person giving up onto something over here. Now, this could be something, or you might hear a news of a betrayal, and you might hear a news that, somebody's life has come to an end or something like that. Some negative news is in the start of the September, but then if I see on the either side of the coin, ending is surely there, ending is surely there, but with the ending, I'm seeing a new beginning as well. There is something which will, start on a new grounds as well, but then more than a new start, I'm seeing something ending, something coming to an end by the first week of the September. So Taurian, just make yourself courageous enough to face the situation, all I can say. By the mid of the month, Taurians, you have this World card. The World card. Situations will get better for you by the mid of the September. Things will turn into your favor. All right. And luck will start favoring you, for which you were desiring for long. All right, because the starting of the month was being disturbed to you. So the mid will be the hope of light, light of hope. I'm so sorry. The light of hope for you. So, by the mid of the September, things will start moving in a good direction for you, Taurians. Coming towards the end with this Knight of Swords, you're very fast with your energy. It's like you started with the tortoise speed, with slow and steady approach. And then in the mid of the September, you stabilize yourself, you slow down, you halted yourself, you thought a bit. And then, suddenly you're paced up with your speed. Suddenly you've been so fast, so ferocious, so high in your movements, and something like that, I am going to do it, that feeling and that aura which a person carries. So by the end of the September, your energy will be on to the tangent of extreme, and it will be something like nobody can stop you. The nutshell is that nobody can stop you. Now the overall outcome I'm seeing with this 5 of Wands, Taurians, you're conflicted. Now this could be conflicts in the two-way round. The first way around is that confliction within your own thought process, confliction with what you want to do, what you are doing, what you should be, what you have done. The thoughts are not aligned properly for you. You're in a very messed condition with your thought process as of now, what I'm seeing. And another situation for you, that you're struggling with the people around you. You're fighting with them, you're argumenting with them, you are giving them the high time, or probably they are giving you the high time. They're testing your patience, and then continuous criticism, continuous attacking on you. That is the energy for the September. I'm really sorry, Taurians. The energy of September is little not stable for you. There's something happening which might not be good for you, or probably brings you at a little lower state of your life, or something like that. So just I would say, just hold on for this month. I know it's very difficult to go like this, but then we can't help it as well. All right, so just be ready to face it. Let me see what are the challenge for you. What are the challenge for my Taurians for the month of September 2020? What are the challenge for my Taurians for the month of September 2020? What are the challenge for my Taurians for the month of September 2020? Okay, Taurians, what is crossing the situation? All right, okay. And what's the final outcome? What is the final outcome? What is the final outcome? Okay. Okay, Taurians, I told you a pretty disturbing month for you. At the bottom of the deck, we have this Page of Pentacles, which shows some good hope for you people, for sure. But to begin with the challenges, the Sun card with this King of Cups over here, what I'm getting over here is that your success has been hindered. The path which you were following has been covered with the obstacles. And Sun cards, the Sun actually indicates a relationship between a father and son, or let's say father or a daughter. Majorly it is father and son, and then King of Cups over to it. What I feel over here is that either you're conflicted with your father onto something, there's a struggle going on between you and your father. You wanted to do something, but your father is denying you, or probably your father is asking you to do something, you are denying with it. There's something with your father figure over here. And the solution towards it is your father only. That is another twist, that you need to go to him and talk to him patiently, with all your emotions, with all your understanding. That can only revive the situation, that can only sort the situation, nothing else. Yeah, nothing else. Alright, now coming to the overall outcome for the situation for the month of September, my Taurians. It is the 8 of Swords with the High Priestess. Now this 8 of Swords, what I'm getting is that, as I told you over here, that you're conflicted with your own thoughts. And now what I'm seeing, that you're blindfolded as well. You're stuck with something, So here the message I'm getting is that you're stuck with your own ideology. You're stuck with some wrong decision in your brain. You're stuck with something which you should not be doing. But then, you're not able to move ahead of it. You're not able to move ahead of it, and September would be the month you will be challenged to move ahead of it. All right. Keep your practical approach open, Taurians. It is a high time that actually you see the black and white of the situation. You see both sides of the coins, not at the one side only. Because seeing at the one side of the coin will not let you to see the entire situation. And hence you might take a wrong decision, or probably the decision which is not fruitful to you completely. Alright. So stop thinking with your heart for now. The brain wants to come into an action, and which is the requirement for the time as well. Okay. So just, try to handle the situation with the practical approach. That is very much required for now. All right. Let me see what my oracles has to say for you. What is the message for my Taurians? Monology. What is the message for my Taurians? What is the message for my beautiful, beautiful Taurians? Please tell me. What is the message for my beautiful Taurians? A new start is coming. I told you. See, I told you this is how it goes. Something is ending for you, something is ending for you for sure, and then a new start is coming, and then somebody is coming towards you with this beautiful gift or opportunity at your way. This I have told you, the Page of Pentacles is the bottom of the deck, what I have got. Alright, so see, whenever something bad happens, it doesn't stay for long, A new morning always comes, Same as with the situation for you, that yes, the situation is tough, yes, it is difficult, yes, it needs courage to face on, but then you have stable waters ahead, Taurians. A new start is there for you, without any doubt. Okay, so just focus on that. See, at the bottom of the deck, again a very beautiful message. Don't let your past hold you back. Don't let your past hold you back. So whatever you have done with your past, or whatever decisions you have taken in your past, that might be giving you repercussions now, which is just disturbing you month of September. So let it go. Don't hold the baggage. Don't hold the baggage of the past. I'm telling you from my own personal experience, it never helps. It makes you stressful, it makes you full of anxiety, but it will not help you. It will not help you in any way. So let's have the final call from the universe, that what is the final message? What is the final message for my Taurians? What is the final message for my Taurians? What is the final message for my Taurians? Alright, Taurians. Very beautiful card. The card is Ardhanarishwar, the divine androgyne. Now what I'm feeling, see, I told you, a conflicted relationship between you and your father, though Ardhanarishwar is about the relationship of a husband and wife, but here it's a relationship. So let's say ignoring husband and wife, though I said a conflicted thought process. So it could be onto any horizon. It could be at your professional front, at your workplace, at the office where you're working, or it could be at your personal front also, right? Ardhanarishwar over here, somewhat indicating your personal front as well. Somewhat indicating me at personal front as well. So the mantra of Ardhanarishwar goes like this. Prap anka shrishti anmukha lashya kai samasta samrakha tandavaya jagaj jananai jagad ikapitre namah shivaya sa namah shivaya. The meditation goes for this. She dances to create the world while he dances to wind it all up. She is the mother of the universe. He is its only father. I bow down to Shiv and Shivani. This is the Ardhanarishwar Shrot. So you may chant this also for the month of September. This may reduce your stress. This may give you the guidance, and this may show you a path. And the blessings given from him is felicity in married life, raising in Kundalini energy, transcendental knowledge of universe oneness, ability to harmonize opposing viewpoints of forces. See, ability to harmonize opposing viewpoints of forces. Again, your conflicted thoughts. You might be contradicting your thoughts with somebody else's thought also, and you know, it could be your father as well, because I'm seeing a confliction between you and your father for the month of the September. So beautiful message, Taurians, from this Ardhanarishwar. I hope this helps you. If it resonated with you, do leave me a comment. I would love to know about it, because this is something a little heavy reading for me. I would definitely want to know that whether my Taurians are really going through from this, or you know, or there's something, a different case. Okay, see you next week. Bye bye.